ताका मागीर स्पिकरान सांगलें मागीर विशय घे म्हणून. अजून काय विशय घेतलो ना. तो विशय आयलो जाल्यार हांव ताका उत्तर दितलो.
No, but one thing he said that this way the police
अरे
can't
पुलीस हे 24 तास मरे 24/7 पुलीस जागे आसूंक जाय. केन्ना सकाळचे दनपारां सांजेवेळचे 5 वरांचेर 8 वरांचेर 10 वरांचेर अशें पुलिसांचें काम नासता. पुलीस नीड्स टू बी वेजाईल फॉर 24 hours 24/7. त्यामुळे पुलिसांनी केन्नाय कितेंय करूं येता.
even
तांकां जी दिसता पळय कितेंय करूं येता म्हणजे कायद्या बाह्य न्ही. कायद्याक जी गरज आवश्यक आसा ती करपाक पुलिसांक अमक्या वेळारूच करूंक जाय अशें ना. गव्हर्मेंटाच्या ऑफिसांत ती धांगो काडटात. ताणें प्रश्न काडून दी हांव मागीर उत्तर दिता.
तुम्ही एक एक करून टार्गेट करता.
एक करून टार्गेट करता.
पयलीं एकट्याचें नांव.
एक म्हणजे ते हांव करता काय पुलीस करता. जी कंप्लेंट आयली लाच घेतल्या ही खरी कारण कोर्टान तर सांगलां ह्या देशांत पावल्या म्हणून मिनिस्टराक पावल्या म्हणून ती हांवें काडून पुलिशेक दिली. त्याच्या नंतर हांवें कितें केलां पुलीस जर चवकशी करता आणि जर पुलिसांक 4 गोश्टी मेळत आसत जाल्यार मागीर हाव कॅन आय स्टॉप देम. आय हॅव नो वेअर इंटरफियर्ड किंवा हांवें कोणा कडेन संशयान हे मनशाची चवकशी कर म्हणूनय हांवें सांगूंक ना. त्यामुळे पुलीस आर डुईंग देअर जॉब. आय कॅनॉट कम इन बिटवीन. आय कॅनॉट ब्लॉक पुलीस.
Court is the forum where you have to tell everything to the court. They can tell the court that this is vendetta.
Some other person, there are chances of some other person also involvement.
I really don't know. So you have to ask the crime branch, no? They'll tell you who are involved.
No, earlier they
No, I am not conducting an investigation.
Is it do you feel or do your government feel it is not only related to 2 ministers, it's a big whole?
I really don't know. The ministers are the head of the departments or the head of the government, I think. That is the symbolism. Minister is the head. Below there will be so many other people, no? For the end result. At the end of the day, when everything is found and everything is done, there has to be a conviction. Then the police has done a good job.
So
If there is a conviction.
do you feel that
If there is no conviction, it is not a good job.
so do you feel
Required, they can investigate. Who stops there?
No,
Who is
because-
stopping anybody?
because earlier your party had said
You are making a demand. Who is making a demand? If somebody is making a demand, let it be investigated. Demand for investigation. Why simply investigate everything?
so why it is
There's a lot of work for the crime branch.
so why only half?
Huh?
Why only the end of
What
the previous
half?
government? It should don't you feel that it should be in the case
It's the
should be
beginning.
investigated?
It's not a half. It's the beginning which is investigated.
But the investigation would
You want
complete
the end to be investigated.
No.
Why you want the end to be investigated?
because some
You start
amounts
with the beginning.
some amounts have been paid during your government also. No?
I really don't know. If you make a categorical statement with that way, giving proof, let it be investigation.
Yes.
During 2007, I think it was announced, JICA was announced.
Yeah.
It took so many years to start. Naturally, it will start during my time.
No, but
Why it shouldn't? Sometime it has to start, no?
He
It
alleged-
started during my time.
he alleged
What to do?
He alleged certain
So
kickbacks.
it
might
doesn't
have
mean that because it started now, there's a kickback now.
paid. So nothing has happened during your
I
government.
really don't know. If you want to investigate it, please investigate. I have no issues.
The police should
I am not
investigate,
in
no, sir.
JICA. I am not connected.
No, but don't you feel as a deputy
I
chief
am not
minister?
in finance. I am not connected in any way whatsoever. JICA is in MAPSA also. Please investigate MAPSA also. I am telling you. I am the MLA of MAPSA.
But you feel
Please investigate.
No, you
I am
don't-
saying please investigate.
everything.
Why talk?
Everything.
Please investigate. Fair enough. Let the investigations find out who is guilty or not.
खरें म्हणजे तेंच्या आंगार येता म्हणून ते सरकाराचेर टिका करता. न्यू जर्सी कोर्ट आहा पळय तो इंडियेन ना, तो देशा भायर आसा आनी थंय जें कितें आमी हुकूमशाही वखदां म्हणटा किंवा पोर्तुगीज हें बरी आशिल्ली म्हणटात पळय ते तेंच्या आंगार शेकता म्हणून ते अशें स्टेटमेंट करतात.
पहिले 2 जाण आशिल्ले आता आनी एक आमदाराचे देर आर
आनी कितले जायत खणत तितले आनी मेळत वतले.
इन्स्टॉलमेंट आनी रिलीज करता.
ना कळटा तितले मेळत वतले आनी
So, but is it fair to arrest someone late at night?
लेट एट नायट म्हणजे गुन्हेगारांक केन्नाय अटक करपाक जाता न्ही. सकाळी फांतोडे 3 उठून अटक करपाक जाता.
Harassment no te pinta.
हॅरेसमेंट न्ही. एक आरोपीक अटक करप हे हॅरेसमेंट.
The sign that the police have started working 24 hours a day. Yes, and if it zala they there were some loops also where police were not working and not able to find some people. What I am trying to say is investigations are on. Investigation कशें आसा ते पद्धतशीर जावनी ताज्या प्रमाणे कळटलें. एज फार एज कॅरेक्टर एसेसिनेशन इज कन्सर्न, आय बिलीव एक्झिस्टींग MLAs और हुएवर इन द हावस ते प्रेसांतल्यान बायलेच्यान सगळें करच्या पेक्षा let the investigation be done silently, let the results come, then we'll discuss. It is too early and premature for us to talk on certain things which the house also should respect the sentiments of the people in the house. फाल्यां कितें जातलें, सेक्शन 164 वापरून सगळ्यांचेच कॅरेक्टर एसेसिनेशन सुरू जातलें. तें जावंक जायना for the democratic process to be alive.
It is. Today it is Congress, tomorrow it will be somebody else. So it's not new. It has happened previously, it has happened, it is happening now, it will happen in future.
Do you think so the police are following the right track? Questions are there on police?
I have got no comments. One thing is sure that let law take its own course.
सांग हांव स्पोर्ट्समॅन मरे बरो खेळगडी हांव सांग टेल मी what you want.
Sir, yesterday ED has also filed a complaint in Louis Berger case. What Congress is saying, this is because of vendetta politics.
Even though Congress says that it is a politics, it is not a politics. The complaint has come from USA and that is forwarded to Goa. When it has come to Goa, CM acted on it. Nothing has been done. Let crime branch make full assessment of the case and come to the public what is the truth, what they are going to do, and then only we can say on it.
But sir, Congress is saying, why don't you demand it to hand it over to CBI?
This is not the way of immediately handing over to CBI because our crime branch is working on it. What is bad in it? You tell me now. You are in Goa. You are looking after it day to day. You are also publishing through media, through newspapers. And what is the bad in it? They are doing very well. Let them do it. Their work.
सर ऑफिस लुईस बर्जराचो जो विशय आसा म्हाका तरी दिसता इंग्लीश द इशू ऑफ लुईस बर्जर वी हॅव बीन डिमांडिंग फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग शुड बी हँडेड ओवर टू CBI. नॉट दॅट वी डू नॉट हॅव फेथ इन द Goa police, but definitely it involves an international company. Statement has been made in the United States of America. The Goa police has got limitation in getting information. Hence, we feel Congress party is open to any kind of investigation. Please hand over the case as committed by the Honorable Chief Minister that he's going to hand it over to the CBI. Then why is it not been handed over till today? Initially, when the issue broke out, it was said that they'll approach the government of India and have it delivered and issue a letter saying that we want to hand this over to the CBI. We are saying that Goa government and its police have got limitation in investigation. We are saying before you come to any conclusion, please hand it over to the CBI. Let all the issues get investigated by the CBI. We are open to the
But
investigation.
sir, accused had already taken the names of both the ministers.
Accused may take any name. We don't know who's taking whose name. It is by just this investigation is not going to end at Churchill Alamo and Digambar Kamath. We are strongly behind our leader, Mr. Digambar Kamath, and we feel that a CBI kind of agency will add more credibility to the investigation.
Sir, do you think this is because of vendetta politics?
There's no question of accusing anybody of vendetta politics. I am saying what investigated properly by giving it to a bigger agency than the CBI. Question of making acquisitions doesn't arise at the moment.